was looking for my lip gloss. All right, let's talk about current favorites that I've been loving for the month of August. Let's get into it. So I went into my makeup and I totally forgot about my Clarins lip oil. This is fantastic. I think this one I have is okay. This is honey. This is the yeah, honey. I thought it was apricot. Okay, no, it's honey, and this is lip comfort oil, and this is so good. It just makes your lips like very supple and juicy, and I just love it because I used to wear a lot of matte lipstick and I think it like dried my lips out, so I'm like obsessed with anything that has like lip oil, just to just condition my lips back to what it used to be, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, look, and this was about $38 from Sephora. Got it a while ago, but I forgot about it, and I was like, let me just go through my makeup, and I saw this, and it is fantastic. So I've been using it for the month of August. So that's that for my lip gloss. Now let's talk about our face. So in like Norivi, is it Norivi? No revive. I'm always giving these things different names, but anyway, I don't know if you can see it. It is Norivi, okay? And this is a snail mucin eye gel patch, and it just promotes rejuvenated look, especially around your eyes, and it's so fantastic. You just leave this on for like 15 minutes, and I usually do this now for like my night skincare, and I am obsessed with it. Let me just show you the inside. The shelf life, I would say this would be like 3 to 6 months or so. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. And it has this like spatula. Take it out, put it around your eyes, and you're good to go for like 20 minutes. And also I have been loving like face mask, especially like at night. I'm very more into my night skincare routine now. I used to not be, because I was like, oh my gosh, I don't have time, I don't have energy, especially at night. You just want to go to bed. But I would do my night care like maybe 2 or 3 times a week, but now I'm doing it more often, and I am obsessed with like face mask. This was like a thing like a couple years ago. So yeah, so I will face mask was like really big during like I think like 3-4 years ago, but it's coming back. But I am obsessed with this face mask. I think I bought like 30 of this from Amazon, and it's called Dermal, and it has like different ones. This one is a veggie placenta collagen essence mask, and this is collagen essence mask, and this has I think this one is Cozine, and this is pomegranate collagen mask, and this helps to firm moisturize your face, and I am obsessed with it. You put it on for like 15-20 minutes with that snail mucin eye patch. Put it under my eye, 20 minutes, and this two together, oh my gosh, they're so good. So I have been loving mask. Speaking of mask, foot mask, put this as well, and just put it on twice a week or something like that. But I am obsessed with it. I think, yeah, I got this from Marshall's, but this is so good. So I'm obsessed with like foot mask, hand mask, face mask. So I am obsessed, love it. And this lady that I follow on YouTube, I think her name again is Sue Lee, she mentioned getting cotton hand gloves. She got it from Amazon, and I think that's actually a brilliant idea because you're getting more pairs, because I think it's like 30 hand gloves that I saw in there, and it's like 14, or I think it's from 12 to 14.99, but I'm gonna purchase that later. But yeah, because that's smart, you pretty much you're doing that for the whole month if you wanted to, and you're saving money compared to you purchasing a hand mask for like $24, and it's only two that you're getting all for. So yeah, that's what I've been loving for like my face and my foot, our mask. Okay, and now let's get into our scrubs. So like facial scrubs and all that, body scrub and all that. Thrive, I seriously love Thrive. I also have another product from Thrive, and why I like their product, because it is organic. It is made out of like plants and stuff like that. So this is the energy scrub. This deeply cleans and exfoliates your skin. So this is what I've been loving for the month of August. And then going again into Thrive, it's going to be it's going to be the sunscreen, and this again has it's with plant base, and it's just very, very good. And this is their sunscreen balm. I just love it because it doesn't leave any white residue on your face, and it's just very organic, and I'm obsessed with Thrive. It's just, their stuff is really good. Okay, so this is Kopari, right? And this is body scrub for your body. This has 10% AHA, and I love this, especially where you shave like your armpits, your legs, pretty much your whole body. Just scrub the like after, like maybe in the night or something like that, for like 2 days, and this is so good. I love it. The shelf life, I would say this is about 6 months because you're not using it every day. And the Thrive face scrub, this is about 3 months because of the size. This was about, I believe, because I got a set, so it was $32. And then the Kopari, I believe this was $24.99, but I will look it up and put it up here. Okay, and then speaking about I would say hair mask as well. Okay, we're just gonna have that category. So I know that I spoke about mask, but we can still talk about this. This is Ology. This is their hair mask, and I am obsessed with their product. I have a lot of their products, but this is what I've been loving for the month of August. And I also use this on my daughter's hair. I use it on my own real hair as well, not on my wigs, but you know, my real hair, and I love it. It's a very wonderful hair mask. It has coconut in here, and it just helps to like nourish damaged hair, and also to prevent damaged hair as well. It's paraben free, and this was about, I believe their price is like $24 to like $30, but it is so good. And you can also get it from Marshall's too if you want to, like, you know, have that budget. It's really good. I just love it, and I love their packaging. It's gorgeous. All right, so we're gonna talk about body. Love this body oil. I bought this from Marshall's. This was about $7.99. It's gorgeous. I just love it. And this has honey, rose, and it also is body oil with collagen. I use this with my body butter, and I am obsessed with it. Just makes your body like nice and glowy. Obsessed. And you can get like really nice body oils from anywhere, pretty much anywhere, like Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Sephora, Ulta, anywhere, Nordstrom's, Macy's, is up to you where you want to go. And you know, I'm obsessed with Mario Badescu. Like, do you see it? Their deodorants, oh my gosh, it's so good. It doesn't leave that like white residue, and it doesn't make your armpit like discolored, because you know, sometimes when you're wearing a deodorant that doesn't have aluminum, the baking soda, I don't know, for me it like discolors my armpits. But Mario Badescu is so good, and this is aluminum free. Has white lotus, and I just love everything about Mario Badescu. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I don't know. It's Mario Badescu. I don't know, but I am obsessed with it. Their stuff is so good. So this is what I've been loving for the month of August. This is the deodorant, and oh my gosh, like, I love it. Let me just open it, and you can see it's just clear, and it just goes on very well, and it just smells so good. It smells clean. If you like eucalyptus and peppermint, that's what it gives. So for me, with this Mario Badescu deodorant, it doesn't discolor my armpits. It's really, really good. Like, I'm obsessed with it. The other ones used to do it, but when I'm wearing this, it does not discolor my armpits. It's good. It smells nice. It doesn't have, you don't have that funny, you know when you're wearing deodorants and they don't have aluminum to cover that sweat. This is so good. It smells like you're wearing perfume. I really do like it. And this one I believe was, I think it was like 24 from Amazon, but I'll put it up here. I'll double check, but it's so good. Love what it gives, and I just love it. And then perfume, I love Laura Mercier items. I didn't think I would be a big fan of Laura Mercier items except the makeup, because I do have their makeup items as well, but I have been purchasing their like body stuff, like their body butters, their body oils. Like I didn't know their stuff is really good, so I recently got this Laura Mercier Amber Vanille. This is the perfume, and you can see like I am obsessed with it. It smells very fall, autumn, like it just has this really nice, beautiful smell to it, and I'm obsessed with vanilla, and I love it. Like, a little goes a long way. Just right here, I'm not bathing in it like the rest of my other perfumes, but I am obsessed with this. And then I got the Sand and Fog Pistachio Dream. These two together, oh my gosh, so good. So this is Sand and Fog Pistachio Dream, and this is a body oil. It smells, oh my goodness, it smells so good like that. Oh my gosh, I wish you could take like a whiff of it. It smells beautiful. I kid you not. It smells fantastic. These two, I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. But yeah, this, I love it. Sand and Fog, they make really good candles. I love their candles. So good. You can get Sand and Fog from Marshall's. You can get it from their website as well. And you can also get it from Amazon. But yeah, obsessed with this body perfume and body oil. Obsessed. I'm actually gonna like spray it right now because I haven't sprayed my perfume. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this Amber Vanille. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So good. I'm just gonna dab this a little bit. Yeah, I love a good, nice fragrance, you know? So yeah, smells delicious. All right, let's talk about vitamins or supplements that I've been taking for the month of August. I've been seeing Physician Choice, I don't know if you can see it, on Amazon. Girl, the tea on this Physician Choice is good. It's bomb. It's good. It's fantastic. So yeah, it's 150,000 reviews, and now I see why. It's so good. So this is probiotics. You know, I told you I'm focusing on my gut health. This is so good. You don't need to take it with food. Take it once daily. My goodness, I've noticed a difference in my stomach, in my gut area. Like, I just want to have a very good, like a healthy gut, and I am really focusing on that. And this is so good. This Physician Choice, I am obsessed with it. And they also have different supplements as well, women's wellness, I forgot the other ones, but you know, different probiotics and weight loss management. Physician Choice, oh my gosh, it is so good, so good, like fantastic. And then I also I was trying to get Rituals, I forgot the name of it, but it's called Rituals, and it's for your collagen. But I saw this on Amazon. It's by Forest Leaf, and this is advanced collagen, hair, skin, nails, and joint. And this has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C in it. So it helps with your skin to just look brighter and younger. And you would take 2 a day, and I am obsessed with this. It's so good. I love it. And 120 comes in here. It's not that large. It's very easy to like take in. And then this one also is 30 capsules. It's not that big. Like you can just, you know, take it, drink water. And I am obsessed with this too. Vitamins and also Force Factor, they really have good energy, you know, calming mood supplements. And this is perfect is it maca, and this has this is dark cherry. This is for energy, stamina, your immunity, and mood, and I am obsessed with it. This comes 60 in this bottle. Fantastic, darling. And also this is Mary Ruth Organic Echinacea. This is liquid drops, and this is for like your immune system. This is for like your immunity, and especially for like fall seasons, flu seasons and all that. Just take 1 to 3 drops, and this is a 1 month supply, and I am obsessed with it. It has this really nice taste to it, doesn't taste funny. And Mary Ruth, their products also, it's really good. So obsessed with that, and that's what I've been using for the month of August. Also, really good. I am obsessed. So something that you would think that is very common, that you probably have in your fridge or your cabinet or your pantry, it's Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother. This one has honey in it, but this is so good for gut health as well, your skin. And also I apply it on my skin like when I'm done taking my shower. Just have it in like a bottle, and put 3 to 1 equation, like what, 3 quarts, like 3 teaspoons and 1 tablespoon of water, because the bottle is this little, and just give it a good squirt on your face. It just helps with the bacteria that's already on your face. And yeah, it's really good. I love this. This is fantastic. This is like my favorites because I'm paying attention to like my gut. So yeah, so those are the items that I've been loving for the month of August. So what do you guys think about this current favorites that I'm doing? Do you like it? Do you want me to continue, or what are your suggestions that you want me to talk about for current favorite for the month? And also comment down below if you're familiar with any of this product or items that I am speaking about, and I will see you in the next video.